guys? It is Noob Killer Mike here, and welcome back to yet another vlog. Just got back home from school. It is Thursday. It is absolutely freezing outside, and I had to walk home from school, so that sucks. But anyway, back home from school, literally have no homework, which is great. I got a lot done in school today, so that always helps. But anyway, I have a orthodontist appointment at 4:30, so I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me to that. And I also have lifting tonight, so I will see you guys later. Alright guys, so back home from the orthodontist, really all that he did was tighten up my retainer. I still have to wear it all the time for another 3 months, and then after that 3 months is up, I will be able to wear it only at night, which will be awesome because then I won't sound like this. But anyway, he actually gave me this paper. It is a before and after picture. The before is on this side. I can never tell what side is the right or the left for you guys, so I'm just gonna yeah. So this is before, and then the other side is after. My teeth were all jacked up on the before, so yeah. They actually don't really look that bad, but when I was looking at it in the waiting room before, when my mom was making another appointment or something like that, and it just looks horrible. But anyway, I'm going to be taking a nap. I'm absolutely exhausted, and then I'm headed off to the gym. So I will see you guys later. Alright, we're going to try and put the camera on that voice crack. We're going to try and put it up here. This is going to be a horrible idea. If my camera falls, Spence. No. Put the mat under it. It'll still break you,
step on my back.
I don't know. I can't do it.
Alright, yo. Someone, get on. Put someone on your shoulders.
So what are you doing right now?
$10.
I'm eating these things. They're on the bean bags.
Off the floor? Oh my god. Oh, you missed,
You missed one.
You missed one. That's $9. $9, correction, $10. $10.
Yeah.
Fork it over.
Are you ready for some dodgeball, baby?
Are we playing dodgeball? Yes, yo, let's go! Bro, here's this kid.
I still ain't getting based.
I don't know who this kid is.
Gang.
Gang. Spencer Dowdy, you
Gang,
know.
fucking gang.
Whoa. This kid is freshman of the year, sweeping up, you know. Good job. Tosh just called me gay.
Oh,
Wow,
my captain just called me gay. Whoa. Wolverine out here calling me gay.
You should have known that tomorrow.
Bitch ass motherfucker.
Yeah, it's on.
Alright guys, so back home from lifting, we actually did a really cool workout. Instead of going and lifting, we did some cardio, but we made it fun. We did dodgeball. We played stupid little games where you have to get bean bags and stuff like that, and then we did relay races up and down the stairs. It was so fun. Anyway, that'll pretty much be it for today. Just finishing up editing this vlog, and that'll be it. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so it is now Friday. Right now I'm outside of a Walmart in New Hampshire. My mom came and picked me up from school, and we got everyone and headed up to New Hampshire. So I've been asleep for probably an hour, and we're still not there. So right now I'm watching some Adam LZ, waiting for everyone to go shopping in the Walmart behind me. Anyway, I will see you guys later.
Happy birthday, baby. Can I kiss? A kiss? No, you don't like me. You don't like me. Here, I'll take this back then.
Did you get my sister a present?
I did. Look, see? I got her a balloon. And she doesn't like me. She doesn't want to give me a kiss. No. Yeah.
You're mean.
I'm not mean. I gave you a present. You're welcome. Can I have a high five? Yeah. Okay, bye. Bye. I'll see you later.
Really?
What's your problem, girlfriend? Huh?
For you. You're creepy. That inside.
We're getting yeah, if I can English, another hydro dipping session in.
First we're going to try the balloon, then we're going to carry it outside, and then go and do a bike. Is that what you said? A bike? Plastic off the dirt bike. Okay, so we have successfully filled the bucket and brought it outside. We are going to, I don't know what exactly we're hydro dipping, but we're going to be doing something. Anyway, I'll let you guys know when it happens.
Shut the door, Sadie. Alright, shut the door. You can come back.
Alright, that's good.
Very good.
No, you got to do different colors, crackhead.
Come on.
Oh, that's cool.
Slack it.
Red.
Alright, I was gonna say you didn't shake any of these. They've been sitting there for about 10 years.
This isn't going to do anything.
Huh?
This isn't going to do anything.
Why?
Because the silver is being like weird.
Green.
Go.
The green is cooking. Alright, I think that's good. Let me try.
I'm dying. So now just dip it in.
Let me see the glove. Glove.
Wolf.
Love me.
Need a little bit of love glove. You alright?
Stop dying.
I'm not dying.
Yes, you are.
Let's see
Pressure's
what
on.
happens.
This is hard to hold. Ready?
Okay.
Just go like this.
No, just.
You gotta just stick it.
Just stick it in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Slow. I mean, that's still kind of cool.
Not really.
Not really.
And then shake it around.
You ruined it!
Now your gloves
Spoil
are
that.
for you.
Spoil that. Spoil that.
Ruined it.
Alright, where's green?
Toilet.
Not even sticking.
Because you're poking at it, you Ned.
Yeah.
Oh, it has to dry?
yeah.
I thought it was like instant. Boom.
No, you have
No.
to. You have to shake it around too.
Alright.
Take two.
We took the L.
No, we're
It's
gonna try
okay though.
again.
We're gonna try again.
Yo, I'll have a kale salad and a kale shake, please.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
You blew it!
Happy birthday to you.
Blow! Blow harder! Look at you. Look at you.
What's that, Mike?
Yeah. You suck. Alright, ready? It's messed up. The bottom's messed up.
No, it's not.
It looked like it was. Do it. One more. Alright, ready? First try.
What?
First try.
Not so much.
Bruce, what happened?
Fuck off! Fuck off!
Pretty good?
One down.
I believe. Snap. Nope.
They make low range for Bruce.
This could be your excuse to get a lift kit.
Oh, pull the
This could be your excuse to get a lift kit.
Alright guys, so it is now Sunday morning. Everyone just got done eating breakfast. I took a shower and we're just waiting to head home now. packing up. It is absolutely freezing. Like literally just last week it was probably like 70 degrees, and now it's like -2. But I'm out here in just a sweatshirt. Just figured I'd come separate myself for a minute and talk to the camera, because I really haven't done that, and I really don't do that when I come up here anyway, just for the fact that I'm spending time with family. I record things here and there, but anyway, that'll pretty much be it for this vlog. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and always remember to just stay killing them.